Hi all, Patrick Cooney here from Travillian's Community Banking and Fintech team, wanting to wish you well and to highlight and introduce a focus that's been building on my desk for the last year or so here at Travillian, and that would be all things GRC in the banking and fintech space. Now, GRC stands for governance, risk, and compliance, and those have been pretty trendy words for all the wrong reasons lately. If you look back at the headlines over the last few weeks and months, we've seen the fallout from some prominent institutions around lacking in those capacities of GRC, governance, risk, and compliance. And my goal is to provide some information, some insight, some advice, and really request the same back at the same time. With everything that I've seen on my desk in terms of GRC, it goes way back before the recent headlines. It goes to 2022. It was likely summertime that I saw a shift from payment-centric roles to more compliance-based roles. And those were BSA, AML, that grew into governance roles around data, audit management, information security, and then into risk, and that's enterprise risk, operational risk, credit risk. It's all encompassing. And I've seen that really pick up with our clientele. It's in demand and it's not going anywhere. Now, one of the pieces that I've seen in the RMA journal from December 2022 to the January 2023 edition, that's the Risk Management Association, was interviewing community bank leaders and their challenges at attracting and retaining these staff. And 70% of those challenges stemmed from not being able to work in a full remote capacity, and that was critical for these employees. 59% stated low compensation as being the second factor as a challenge to attract and retain these personnel, and they're critical personnel, and banks are finally starting to really understand that and invest in these departments. So we've been building a really great network. We have a great talent pool. I know that this is not going to be slowing down. It's only going to continue to build. So I'd love to welcome some advice from anyone in the field. I plan to have some follow-ups with some SMEs in these different categories, and expect to hear much more from Travillian and our GRC functionality. Thank you.